Party popper, welcome to our live trivia show, where numbers rule and math minds shine bright tonight. Party popper. Brain, get ready to flex those brain muscles. Tonight's topic is mathematics. From quick arithmetic to tricky algebra, from shapes and angles to percentages and patterns, we're diving deep into the world of numbers. Whether you're a math whiz or just here for fun, there's something for everyone. Bar chart, we've got 50 questions lined up, each with 4 answer options. Only one is correct. The faster you answer, the more points you earn. 3 o'clock. To answer, simply comment the number of the correct option or type the full answer. Megaphone, let's warm up those calculators and sharpen those pencils. It's time to play. Pushpin reminder, asterisk 50 questions. 4 options. 1 correct. Answer fast. Comment number or full answer. Here comes question 1. Let's kick things off with confidence. What is the value of open parenthesis 1.5 plus 2.5 close parenthesis times 10? 1, 52, 43, 44, 30. Think it through, addition first, then multiplication. Math magic begins now. Fun fact, multiplying after adding follows the order of operations rule. The correct answer is 40, let's see how you did. 0 out of 0 players answered this one correctly. Keep going. Time for question 2, calendar fans, this one's for you. How many days are there in June and July combined? 1, 62 2, 61 3, 64, 59. Think summer thoughts, count carefully, and lock in your answer now. Fun fact, June and July are the only back-to-back 31-day months. The correct answer is 61 days, let's check your results. 0 out of 0 players got it right. Tough question. Here comes question 3, time to flex those fraction solving skills. What is 2 to 1 plus 4 to 1 as a fraction? 1, 6 halves 2, 6/1 3, 4 thirds 4, 1. Add them up carefully, fractions can be sneaky, but satisfying too. Fun fact, the top number in a fraction is called the numerator. The correct answer is 4 over 3, also known as 4/3. 0 out of 0 players answered correctly. No winners this round. Time for question 4, let's solve for y together. If 5y minus 7 equals 33, what's y? 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6. Think algebraically, balance both sides and isolate that variable. Fun fact, algebra comes from the Arabic word al-jabr, meaning reunion of parts. The correct answer is 8. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. No one got it right. Here comes question 5, time to multiply and conquer. What is the product of 20 times 150? 1, 4002, 3503, 3004, 300. Crunch those numbers, mental math warriors, show us your skills now. Fun fact, 20 times 150 is the same as 150 by 20. The correct answer is 3000. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. Nobody got this one right. Question 6 coming in, time to flex those percentage skills. What is 40% of 500 subtracted from 300? 1, 52, 203, 154, 100. Think fast, percentages can be tricky but rewarding to solve. Fun fact, 40% of 500 is the same as 200 exactly. The correct answer is 100. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. No one got it this time. Question 7 is here, time to round those numbers up. If you round 4,872 to the nearest 100, what number? 1, 5,002, 4,903, 4,874, 4,800. Think carefully, rounding can sneak up on even math pros. Fun fact, rounding helps simplify numbers for easier mental math and estimates. The correct answer is 4,900. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. No one got it this round. Time for question 8, geometry fans, this one's for you. A triangle has angles 50 degrees and 60 degrees. What's the third? 1, 90 degrees 2, 80 degrees 3, 70 degrees 4, 110 degrees. Triangles always total 180 degrees. Do the math, lock in your answer. Fun fact, the angles of any triangle always add up to 180 degrees. The correct answer is 70 degrees. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. Nobody got it right this time. Question 9 is here, time to test your quick math skills. What's the total cost of 6 books at 80 Indian rupees each? 1, 540 Indian rupees 2, 500 Indian rupees 3, 480 Indian rupees 4, 420 Indian rupees. Multiply and think fast, your answer might just stack up right. Did you know? India introduced the Indian rupee symbol in 2010 officially. Correct answer is 480 Indian rupees. 1 out of 1 answered correctly. Well done, at Ruth Abigail Q3C. Here comes question 10, let's keep that brain ticking strong. How many hours are there in 5 full days? 1, 24 hours 2, 144 hours 3, 120 hours 4, 100 hours. Time's ticking, pick wisely and show off your time math skills. Fun fact, a day has 24 hours, multiply wisely for totals. Correct answer is 120 hours. 0 out of 1 answered correctly. No correct answers this round, keep going strong. Next up, question 11, time to flex those math muscles. What is 10.5 minus 3.75? 1. 7.252, 73, 6.754, 6.25. Crunch those numbers, your calculator brain is ready to shine now. Fun fact, subtracting decimals is just like whole numbers, line them up. Correct answer is 6.75. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. No responses this round, but the game rolls on. Question 12 coming up, time to spot the pattern. What's next? 3, 8, 13, 18? 1, 25 2, 24 3, 23 4, 22. Think arithmetic, what's the pattern? Lock in your answer now. Fun fact, arithmetic sequences increase by the same number each time. Correct answer is 23. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. No correct guesses this time, keep going, more questions ahead. Question 13, time for some quick math. What's the perimeter of a rectangle? 10 centimeters by 6 centimeters. 1, 60 centimeters 2, 40 centimeters 3, 32 centimeters 4, 16 centimeters. Think back to geometry class, add those sides up carefully. Perimeter of a rectangle is twice the sum of its sides. Correct answer is 32 centimeters. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. No one got it right, don't worry, more chances ahead. Question 14 coming your way, ready for a brain teaser? What is the cube of 4 divided by 8? 1, 8, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 16. Think cubes, then divide, math magic in action. Lock in answers now. A cube number is a value multiplied by itself 3 times. Correct answer is 8. 0 out of 1 answered correctly. No one got it right, don't give up just yet. Question 15 now, get ready to count some currency. How many paise are there in 20 Indian rupees? 1, 20,000, 2, 2003, 204, 1000. Think quick. Every rupee counts, lock in your answer now. One rupee equals 100 paise, basic math, but super useful. Correct answer is 2000 paise. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. No one got it, don't worry, more questions ahead. Here comes question 16, time for some quick math thinking. What is the value of 900 divided by open parenthesis 3 times 5 close parenthesis? 1, 62, 303, 184, 15. Crunch those numbers fast, your answer might just multiply your score. Fun fact, division is just repeated subtraction, math magic in action. Correct answer is 60. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. No one got it, don't worry, more chances coming up. Here's question 17, time to flex those percentage-solving brain muscles. If 30% of a number is 90, what's the number? 1, 332, 303, 274, 120. Think it through, percent problems pop up more than you'd expect. Fun fact, 30% means 30 out of every 100, percent means per hundred. Correct answer is 300. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. No one got it, don't worry, more fun ahead. Here comes question 18, time to multiply and conquer. What is 0.75 times 400? 1, 42, 353, 304, 30. Decimals can be sneaky, stay sharp and lock in your answer. Fun fact, 0.75 is the same as 3/4 or 75%. Correct answer is 300. 0 out of 0 answered correctly. Nobody got it right this time, keep going, you're doing great. Question 19 coming in, money math time, let's calculate interest. What is the simple interest on 500 Indian rupees at 10% for 1 year? 1. 550 Indian rupees 2, 50 Indian rupees 3, 100 Indian rupees 4, 10 Indian rupees. Think back to school, principal times rate times time, then decide. Simple interest formula, principal times rate times time, all divided by 100. Correct answer is 50 Indian rupees. 0 of 0 answered correctly. No one got it right, don't worry, more chances ahead. Question 20. Time to add, grab those mental calculators now. What is the sum of 250 plus 350 plus 400? 1. 952, 903, 1104, 1000. Quick math challenge, add it up and lock in your answer. Fun fact, 250 plus 350 plus 400 equals a nice round number. Correct answer is 1000. 0 of 0 answered correctly. No one got it right, don't worry, more fun ahead. Question 21 coming in, geometry fans, this one's for you. What is the area of a square with 48 centimeters perimeter? 1. 96 sqcm 2. 24 sqcm 3. 144 sqcm 4. 12 sqcm. Think squarely, perimeter and area are best friends in math. Fun fact, a square side is perimeter divided by 4, simple math. Correct answer is 144 square centimeters. 0 of 0 answered correctly. No one got it right, don't worry, more chances ahead. Here comes question 22, time to flex those math muscles. If a equals 3 and b equals 5, solve, 2a plus 3b minus 1. 1, 22 2, 23, 19 4, 18. Plug in, calculate fast, algebra's all about patterns and precision. Fun fact, algebra dates back over 4,000 years to ancient Babylon. Correct answer is 20. 0 of 0 answered correctly. No one got it right, don't give up just yet. Here's question 23, time to crunch some quick numbers. What is 102 minus 52 plus 15? 1, 92, 85 3, 110 4, 100. Math lovers, this one's for you, calculate carefully and lock in. Did you know? The number 0 was first used in ancient India. Correct answer is 90. 0 of 0 players answered this one correctly. No correct answers, don't worry, more chances ahead to score. Here comes question 24, geometry fans, get ready. How many degrees are in a straight angle? 1, 90 degrees 2, 360 degrees 3, 270 degrees 4, 180 degrees. Think back to math class, angles can be surprisingly fun. Fun fact, a straight angle forms a perfect line. Pretty neat, right? Correct answer is 180 degrees. 0 of 0 players got it right. No correct answers this round. Keep going, you're doing great. Question 25 is here. Time for some quick division. What is 5,000 divided by 20? 1. 502, 253, 25 4, 200. Crunch those numbers, math minds, this one's for you. Fun fact, the word zero comes from the Arabic word sifr. Correct answer is 250. 1 of 1 players got it right. Shout out to @AmmaMakingSense86, nicely done, keep that streak going. Question 26 coming in, time to subtract with confidence. What is the difference between 1,456? 1. 644 2, 554 3, 544 4, 540. Think carefully, every point counts in this mental math marathon. Fun fact, the number 1000 is called a grand in slang. Correct answer is 544. 0 of 0 players answered this one correctly. No worries, more chances ahead to score big and bounce back. Question 27, time to multiply and flex those brain muscles. What is the product of the smallest two-digit number and the largest single-digit number? 1, 99 2, 93, 19 4, 100. Quick, lock in your answer before the clock runs out. Fun fact, the smallest two-digit number is 10, double digits begin there. Correct answer is 90. 0 of 0 players got it right this time. Don't worry, more questions ahead to test your trivia skills. Question 28, time to crunch some shopping numbers, everyone. If a jacket is marked down from 1000 Indian rupees to 800 Indian rupees, what is the discount percentage? 1, 0.252, 0.23, 0.154, 0.1. Think fast, math meets fashion in this stylish savings showdown. Fun fact, a 20% discount on 1000 Indian rupees saves you 200 Indian rupees instantly. Correct answer is 0.2. 0 of 0 players got it right this round. Tough one, but more chances ahead to score big. Question 29, time to flex those mental math muscles, friends. What is 32 times 18? 1, 9, 2, 6, 3, 15, 4, 12. Crunch the numbers, no calculators, just brain power and quick thinking. Did you know? 32 times 18 equals a whopping 576. Correct answer is 12. 0 of 0 players answered correctly this time. No worries, keep going, more questions ahead to conquer. Question 30 coming up, time to pour out your best guess. How many milliliters in a 21-liter bottle? 1, 502, 53, 254, 1000. Think fast, liquid conversions can be surprisingly tricky, can't they? Fun fact, 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters, easy to remember, right? Correct answer is 500 milliliters. 0 of 1 players answered this correctly. No one got it right, don't give up just yet. Question 31 is here, but wait, where's the question gone? Answer choices are 1, 53 2, 29 3, 27 4, 25. Take a guess anyway, sometimes mystery makes it more fun. Did you know? Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level. Correct answer is 25. 0 of 0 players answered this one correctly. No responses received, don't worry, more chances coming up soon. Question 32. What's the mean of 5, 10, 15, 20? Options are 1, 15.52, 15.3, 12.54, 10. Crunch those numbers, math fans, this one's made just for you. Fun fact, the average of evenly spaced numbers is the middle value. Correct answer is 12.5. 2 of 2 players answered this question correctly. Shout out to @vanrichagen07 and @Raholrasden, great job, Math Masters. Question 33. What's the square root of 169? Options are 1, 16.2, 14.3, 13.4, 12. Think carefully, perfect squares love to hide in plain sight. Fun fact, 169 is a perfect square, 13 times 13 equals 169. Correct answer is 13. 2 of 2 players got it absolutely right, nice work. Shout out to @Raholrasden and @vanrichagen07 for nailing it. Question 34. What comes next? 1, 2, 4, 8, what? Options are 1, 16.2, 14.3, 12.4, 10. Think powers, patterns, and multiplying magic, lock in your answer now. Fun fact, 8 doubled is 16, patterns love powers of 2. Correct answer is 16. 1 of 2 players answered correctly, well done. Shout out to @Raholrasden for getting it right. Question 35. A circle's radius is 7 centimeters. What's the diameter? Options are 1, 7 centimeters 2, 3.5 centimeters 3, 21 centimeters 4, 14 centimeters. Think geometry basics, double check your math and lock it in. Fun fact, diameter is always twice the radius of a circle. Correct answer is 14 centimeters. Both players got it right, perfect score. Shout out to @Rahulrasdan and @Vanrachajan07 for nailing it. Question 36. Convert 3 days, 2 hours into total hours. Options: 1, 76.2, 74.3, 72.4, 62 hours. Time math lovers, this one's for you, calculate and answer now. Fun fact, one day has exactly 24 hours, no more, no less. Correct answer is 74 hours. All 3 players answered correctly, great job, everyone. Shout out to @Vanrachajan07, @Ruthpamai6455, @RuthAbigailQ3C, well done. Question 37. What is 100 times 0.005? Options are 1, 52, 53, 0.54, 0.05. Tiny numbers, big impact, think fast and lock in your answer. Did you know? 0.5 is half of 1. Correct answer is 0.5. Both players got it right, perfect score this round. Shout out to @Rahulrasdan and @Vanrachajan07, awesome work, you too. Question 38. What's the volume of a rectangular prism? Options are 1, 72, 63, 44, 12 cubic units. Multiply length, width, and height, geometry fans, this one's for you. Fun fact, volume equals length times width times height, simple math magic. Correct answer is 60 cubic units. 2 out of 3 players got it right, nice job. Shout out to @vanrichagen07 and @RuthAbigailQ3C for answering correctly. Question 39. If z divided by 5 equals 15, what's z? Options are 1, 75 2, 65 3, 3 4, 20. Quick math minds, solve for z. Division's inverse is multiplication. Fun fact, multiplying both sides of an equation keeps it balanced. Correct answer is 75, nice work solving that equation. 1 out of 2 players answered correctly this round. Shout out to @vanrichagen07 for getting it right, well done. Question 40. How many sides does a heptagon have? Options are 1, 9 2, 8 3, 7 4, 6. Think polygons, each name hides a clue in its prefix. Fun fact, hepta comes from Greek, meaning 7, like heptathlon. Correct answer is 7, classic shape from geometry class. 0 of 1 players answered correctly this time. Tough one. Don't worry, more chances coming up soon. Question 41. What's the sum of even numbers 1 to 11? Options are 1, 42, 36 3, 34, 25. Think quick, add them up. Even numbers love to pair up. Even numbers are divisible by 2, no remainders, just clean splits. Correct answer is 30, nice math skills on display. 1 of 1 players got it right. Shout out to @vanrichagen07 for nailing that one. Question 42. What is 121 minus 21 times 5? Options are 1, 502, 23, 16, 4, 100. Remember, order of operations matters. Multiply before you subtract, math masters. Fun fact, PEMDAS helps you remember math order, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Correct answer is 16. Nice work solving that math puzzle. One of one players got it right. Shout out to @vanrichajan07 for the correct answer. Question 43. How many hours are in 1/6 of a day? Options: 1, 6 hours 2, 4 hours 3, 2 hours 4, 10 hours. Think fractions. Divide 24 by 6, what do you get? Choose wisely. Fun fact, there are 24 hours in a full day, math matters. Correct answer is 4 hours. Time math can be tricky. 0 of 0 players got it right. No correct answers this round, but don't give up yet. Question 44. What is 8.50 plus 2.30 minus 1.00? Options: 1, 9.82, 9.33, 11.84, 10.8. Quick math challenge, add, subtract, and lock in your answer now. Fun fact, the number 0 was first used in ancient Babylonian math. Correct answer is 9.8. Nice work with the quick math. One of one players answered correctly. Shout out to @vanrichajan07 for getting it right. Question 45. What's the difference between 1 crore and 10 lakhs? Options: 1, 90 lakhs 2, 10 lakhs 3, 10 crores 4, 1 lakh. Think in lakhs, do the math and lock your answer now. Did you know? 1 crore equals 100 lakhs in Indian numbering. Correct answer is 90 lakhs. Great calculation skills on display. One of one players got it right. Big shout out to @banrachajan07 for the correct answer. Question 46. A sequence doubles, starting from 3, what's third term? Options: 1, 9 2, 6 3, 24 4, 12. Think fast, patterns matter. Lock in your answer now, math whizzes. Fun fact: the third term of a geometric sequence grows quickly. Correct answer is 12. Nice try, math fans. 0 of 0 players answered correctly. No correct answers this round, but keep going strong. Question 47. What is 100 divided by 2, plus 10 times 5? Options are 1, 55 2, 53, 204, 100. Think order of operations, PEMDAS fans, this one's for you. Fun fact: PEMDAS means parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Correct answer is 100. Well done on the quick math. One of two players answered correctly this round. Shout out to @banrachajan07 for getting it right. Nice work. Question 48. How many vertices does a cuboid have? Options are 1, 8 2, 6 3, 4 4, 12. Picture a box, count those corners carefully before you answer. Fun fact: a cuboid has flat faces and straight edges. Geometry rocks. Correct answer is 8. Classic shape, classic geometry. 0 of 2 players answered correctly this round. No one got it right, but don't give up yet. Question 49. What is 6 times 9 plus 4 times 8? Options are 1, 98 2, 86 3, 84, 74. Quick math challenge, grab those brain cells and do the math. Did you know? The number 9 is considered magical in mathematics. Correct answer is 86. Nicely done on this tricky one. One of one players answered correctly. Shout out to @vanrichajan07 for getting it right. Final question, what's the total length of two longest sides? Options, 1, 9 2, 8 3, 7 4, 12. Think triangles. Geometry fans, this is your moment to shine. Fun fact, a 3-4-5 triangle always forms a perfect right angle. Correct answer is 9, classic right triangle math in action. One of two players answered correctly. Big shout out to @vanrichajan07 for nailing it. Time to reveal our trivia champions. What a fantastic game, everyone! @vanrichajan07 takes the crown with 14. @Rahorazdan and @RuthAbigail Q3C follow with 5 and 3 correct answers. Shout out to @AmmaMakingSense86 and @RuthPamai6455, great effort. Thanks to all 5 players, see you next trivia night.